Yeah, so leadership and mentorship for me is something that has always been very, very important, something that I really enjoy. Anybody that I've ever worked with, collaborated with, employees, people that have worked for me that still work for me today or work for us, ADDMAN Group, I always want to give back and mentor people like others in my life have mentored me. And with leadership, I think being a good servant leader with those that you work with is, always being available, always teaching, advocating for what you do and what your industry is, and just wanting to do better and be better, as a leader. And it's not always an easy thing to do, but I kind of pride myself on doing it and wanting to see people that you work with, grow and in what they do and their jobs. So